The construction of 3 new dry cargo vessels for the RSD34L project at the Nefteflot shipyard in Samara began simultaneously on March 26, 2026. This marks an important development in Russia's inland and coastal transport sector. It is not simply a routine industrial update. Instead, it reflects a broader revival strategy within Russia's domestic shipbuilding industry. The goal is clear: to modernize aging Soviet-era fleets and strengthen logistical independence across river-sea transport corridors. As Altitude Addicts would note, this move also signals a deeper shift toward long-term industrial resilience and self-reliance in critical infrastructure sectors. And moving into how this expansion is unfolding, the RSD34L dry cargo ships are not prototypes. They are part of a growing serial production program that began in May 2024. With the laying down of the 7th, 8th, and 9th vessels, the project has now entered a stable phase of industrial scaling. Serial production is a strong indicator that design, supply chains, and engineering processes have matured and proven reliable. These vessels are essential for a country like Russia, which depends heavily on inland waterways such as the Volga and the Don, along with extensive canal systems. River Sea-class ships like the RSD34L ensure continuity between industrial hubs and coastal export points. The fact that multiple vessels are being built simultaneously shows growing confidence in demand, particularly for bulk cargo and industrial materials. Building further on this, the RSD34L vessels are specifically designed to replace aging Soviet-era cargo ships known as 5,000ers. This nickname comes from their approximate 5,000-ton capacity. Many of these older vessels are reaching the end of their service life. They suffer from inefficiency, outdated safety systems, and rising maintenance costs. The new ships provide a modern alternative with improved safety, efficiency, and flexibility. By maintaining a similar cargo capacity of up to 5,150 tons, the transition becomes easier for operators. There is no need for major changes in infrastructure or cargo handling systems, making fleet replacement smoother and more cost-effective. Naturally, versatility plays a central role in this design. Each vessel features 2 large cargo holds capable of handling a wide variety of goods. This includes general cargo, bulk commodities like grain, packaged timber, sawn lumber, scrap metal, rolled steel, and oversized heavy cargo. The ships can also transport certain hazardous materials under proper regulations. This flexibility is crucial in modern logistics. Cargo demand is constantly changing, and vessels that can adapt quickly achieve higher utilization rates. For a country exporting both agricultural and industrial products, such adaptability becomes a major operational advantage. As the discussion moves into technical capabilities, the RSD34L vessels are about 120 meters long and 17 meters wide. This makes them ideal for both inland waterways and coastal routes. They can navigate shallow river conditions while still handling moderate sea environments. Their working speed is just over 10 knots, which is roughly 19 kilometers per hour. This balance ensures both efficiency and practicality. Even more impressive is their endurance of up to 25 days. This allows long journeys without frequent resupply, especially useful for remote or extended routes. Crew requirements are minimal, with only 12 personnel needed. This reflects modern automation and optimized ship systems. Lower crew numbers reduce costs and simplify operational logistics. Taking a closer look at propulsion, each vessel is equipped with 2 engines of about 1,000 horsepower each. These drive twin rudder propellers, improving both control and redundancy. If one system fails, the other can continue operating, enhancing safety. A bow thruster is also included, allowing precise maneuvering in tight spaces like ports, locks, and narrow channels. This significantly reduces the risk of accidents and improves docking efficiency. The onboard power system includes 3 auxiliary diesel generators and 1 emergency generator. This ensures continuous power for all systems, including navigation, communication, cargo handling, and crew needs. Such redundancy is essential for uninterrupted operations. From a strategic perspective, the River Sea classification is one of the most important features. These vessels can operate seamlessly between inland waterways and coastal seas. This eliminates the need for cargo transshipment. Instead of transferring goods between ships, a single vessel can complete the entire journey. This reduces costs, saves time, and minimizes cargo damage. It also allows operators to adjust routes based on weather, congestion, or economic conditions. As Altitude Addicts highlights, this flexibility is becoming increasingly critical in a world where supply chains must adapt quickly to disruptions and shifting trade patterns. And beyond logistics, the economic implications are equally significant. The simultaneous construction of multiple vessels demonstrates the capability of Russian shipyards to handle large-scale production. It supports domestic manufacturing and reduces reliance on foreign suppliers. This has become particularly important due to geopolitical tensions and sanctions. The project also boosts employment and stimulates related industries such as steel production and engine manufacturing. The city of Samara benefits directly as an industrial hub with increased shipyard activity. Looking at efficiency and environmental aspects, modern ship designs like the RSD34L generally offer better fuel economy and lower emissions compared to older vessels. Improved hull designs reduce drag, further enhancing efficiency. While full environmental details are not publicly disclosed, it is expected that these ships meet current standards for emissions and energy efficiency. This helps operators align with evolving maritime regulations. Looking ahead, the RSD34L program is clearly gaining momentum. With 9 vessels already built or under construction, expansion into double digits seems likely. Continued demand could lead to further orders and even new variations of the design. As Altitude Addicts concludes, the RSD34L may serve as the foundation for a broader transformation of Russia's inland and coastal shipping fleet. It represents not just a new ship, but a new direction. In conclusion, the construction of 3 RSD34L vessels marks a significant step forward. These ships combine modern engineering, flexibility, and strategic design. They are set to replace aging fleets and improve efficiency across vital transport routes. More importantly, they reflect a larger industrial push to modernize and strengthen critical infrastructure. As production continues, the RSD34L program stands as a powerful example of how focused engineering and sustained effort can reshape an entire industry. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of the channel to encourage us.